Festival with thousands of people flocking to Traverse City for the festival. Local police and EMS can get a little bit overwhelmed.
Yeah, they sure can, and that's why local departments and festival organizers plan far in advance to ensure the safety of everyone involved. 7 and 4's Brett Kast joins us now live from the National Cherry Festival to tell us how first responders prepare to handle the crowds. Good morning, Brett.
Hey, good morning, guys. Yeah, when a town grows exponentially overnight, you're going to need to call in some backup. So we talked to law enforcement and some first responders to see what they're doing to keep the festival safe.
It's a huge undertaking.
With large crowds comes more risk and more boots on the ground for law enforcement.
We have units that are walking around on foot. We have Marine people out on the bay. We have 2 motor units from downstate that we brought up here.
First Lieutenant Frank Keck with the Michigan State Police is on duty at the Cherry Festival and says with local, county, and state police on scene, festival safety is all about teamwork.
I mean, we started planning this 2 or 3 months ago ourselves, working with the city police department. And, you know, they're kind of the lead on this. It's their city.
And while the police coordinate to handle security,
we staff up on the special events, Northlight staffs up.
Other groups coordinate to handle medical.
Everything that we do is in back here.
Keith Fritz is a fire inspector and EMT with the Traverse City Fire Department, which also monitors big events with their Rescue 6.
It's been used a few times. For the air shows it was used. The parades, we have people on it for standby.
Most of the medical issues so far have been weather related. So while first responders have to plan ahead, with the hot sun, festival goers do too.
The biggest thing is just being prepared, making sure you have access to water.
While there have been a few alcohol-related issues, First Lieutenant Keck says it's been so far so good.
These people are just up here having fun. The number of people who are actually causing issues are fairly small. So it's been a good Cherry Festival so far.
Yeah, there's a lot of planning and preparation that goes into keeping the festival safe. And in fact, at last year's Pinnacle Awards, which is an award thing put on by the International Festival Events Association, the Cherry Festival won first place and beat out the Kentucky Derby and the Pasadena Festival of Roses to win a Emergency Preparedness Plan Gold Award. Reporting in Traverse City, Brett Kast, 7 and 4 News.
Lots going into planning for an event of this size.
Yes, and you do. I have immense respect for the local law enforcement out there, EMS, because every year, or at least since I've moved to the Traverse City area, the festival, National Cherry Festival, has grown.
Yes.
With the amount of people that we see in the area. So it's very serious.
Lots